At PsyTechVR, we have a learning platform. On this learning platform, you can find different courses and workshops on how to use the app. In the workshop section, you can find CBT VR workshop, EMDR, mindfulness, relaxation therapy, and our workshops are developed with a team of the experts who are already using PsyTechVR since the beginning of our company. And in these workshops, you'll find videos. Those videos are 2, 3, 4 hours. They explain how to use PsyTechVR. This one specifically is for VR and CBT. Next, we have different courses. You can learn how to use the headset, basically how to fit the glasses into the headset, how and where you can bind the disposable masks for the headsets. You can learn more about the VR therapy consent forms here, or even how to launch the therapy. This specific course, it presents how Launchpad works. In the Launchpad section, you can learn how to use the safe place, how to apply breathing exercises, and other particular information presented in the text and video format on how to master PsyTechVR platform. Also, you can find different courses on how to run this in Telehealth, or how to do the assessment of questionnaires or stress assessments, biosensors, and other courses. The learning platform is the first asset. Next, we offer you the onboarding. During the onboarding session, which can be in Zoom and online for one-on-one or group, we can also provide you with on-site training in the US and Europe. Our onboarding managers team will explain you how to use PsyTechVR, how to implement it, and we also provide you the online support. You can use the platform called Discord and get in touch with a team of our clinicians and customers and learn more about how PsyTechVR can be implemented and its best practices.